Since a long time now, I've been trying to know about the harmful effects of the various lifestyle habits that we are following as a routine in our daily lives. We have encountered several changes in our immediate environment, like increase in the frequency of natural calamities and climate change. After a lot of contemplating, I found out simple and unconscious habits that we are following and which are such a wasteful of our resources. Friends, welcome to Green Life Soho. Today, let's talk about few of the changes which changed me and made me a responsible person towards our planet. Everyone buys toys for their kids. With due course of time, I realized that all the toys that we all were buying for our children were either made up of plastic or were engulfed in plastic packaging. Same was happening with the grocery items. They were all packed in plastic bags and plastic materials. I started looking for something which came in eco-friendly packaging and something which is very sustainable so that the children can also play with them.
And we are not even increasing our carbon footprint by going for wooden toys instead of the plastic ones.
Whenever I had some gadget or some machinery which went out of use or even utensils, I used to store them in some cupboard and used to order a new one.
I used to think that it will be getting repaired at some later stage in my life because I used to feel the burden to get it repaired. This increases our carbon footprint and clutter also at home. It's always better for the planet to get things repaired which are not in working condition and are lying in our homes instead of buying new.
When you want to cook something in your kitchen, you want access to small or compact appliances.
Don't buy kitchen appliances which are too big or with too many attachments. If you're not going to use some things in a year or are just using once a year, it is no point to keep them in your kitchen. Give it to somebody who needs it better than you. I never used to look at the waste generated in my household on a daily basis, but segregating wet kitchen waste and dry kitchen waste has become an important task now every day in my household. I shift the wet kitchen waste into a container which helps me to decompose the waste and make healthy food for the plants of the house. Time and again, we all have been hearing to compost our daily kitchen waste, so it's time to do it now.
Please like and share if you like my video and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you.